How to use the AirSled LiftCart Base Extension Kit. The LiftCart Base Extension Kit is designed to span the 30-inch wide glass top range for additional safety. Install the extension bars with the supplied bolts directly to the LiftCart's base and hand tighten the wing nuts. Next, install the leveling feet. The LiftCart's base extension kit lets you straddle a 30-inch wide range so that the LiftCart's weight rests on the surrounding countertop. With weight directly on the countertop, you eliminate any possible stress on the oven's glass surface. The base extension kit can also be mounted in the opposite orientation. Again, use the bolts and wing nuts to secure the bars. You have the option of using the LiftCart's caster wheels if mobility is needed. The larger footprint can make the LiftCart more stable if working on loads that are larger than the LiftCart's top. Learn more at www.airsled.com.